Hello my fellow two bags, back again. Green stone, which is the medium stone, 280 grit. Now, doesn't take a whole lot of oil, but it takes some. So here we go. Back to it. See the paste? That's exactly what you want to look for. Okay. Now, let's check on our progress, shall we? Now, this is what I like to see. Good, solid, uniform line. Don't that just look pretty? Yeah. Now, you might notice that the bevel on one side looks a little bit wider than the bevel on the opposite side. Well, in a sense, it is. And that's just because I like a fatter bevel on my left-hand side because I'm left-handed. So, I am doing that on purpose. It's kind of a guide thing, so to speak. Okay, we're on our third stone, and I'm kind of curious already. You'll see the dramatic difference already, right? Huge difference from when we got started, correct? Awesome. Just want to see. See, here we go. That burr is what's keeping it from actually being a good slicer right now. So, guess what? It's time to move on to the first spine stone. Oh, wrong one. First spine stone. Okay, this is a 600 grit. Do-da, do-da. Yes, sing a little ditty. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and cut this one off right here. And when we come back after I post these videos, we'll still be on the fine stone, and then possibly we will go from fine to ultra fine in the next video, and cut that off in the middle of doing the ultra fine, and then the last video will be finishing off with the ultra fine and going into stropping. So we got about 2 videos left in the series. Got some awesome work already. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful bevel. There we go. Alright, y'all. See y'all in a bit. Keep your finger in the drill. Bye.